how are you? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. आज हम करेंगे टेंसेस, ठीक है? हमने आगे देखा था टेंसेस अबाउट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, ठीक है? Now today we will move on to the past. As I already told you that we are having a subtypes of it. So today we will do simple past tense. So what is simple past tense? Let me introduce you. Simple past tense is used to express an action which is completed in the past, ठीक है? Your some habits, ठीक है? That is in past. Your habit what was in past and some historical events like it is used to express an action. It is used to express an action which completed in the past, ठीक है? Express your past habits and historical events, ठीक है? It is used to express an action which completed in the past. Express your past habit and historical events. Like, what is your action completed in the past? As I can say, the boy ran fast, ठीक है? The boy ran fast. This is the action which is completed in the past. Now, my father never told a lie. My father never told a lie. That is your past habit. Next, Columbus discovered America. Columbus discovered America. ठीक है? This is my historical event. So in this way we are using simple past tense. So let's move on to the formation of the sentences. Let's see the sentence formation of simple past tense. Subject plus what we will use, as you all know about the verb, it means action. So here we will use V2, it means verb का second form. As I need to write second form of verb plus object, ठीक है? Subject plus second form of verb plus object. So how I will make my sentence? What is second form of verb? See, students, here go, went and gone, ठीक है? This is my first form, this is my second form, this is called past form. and this is called past participle. ठीक है, this is the base form, second form and third form. Past form, past participle. So here we will use this second form of verb. So let me write the sentence for you. They saw a mad dog. They saw a mad dog. They saw a mad dog. They means my subject. Saw second form of verb and this is my object. ठीक है? This is my second form of verb. It means we to and this is subject. ठीक है बच्चों? Understood this thing? This is very easy to do the simple past tense. Now where we have to use ed, where we have to use d, sir, this is very difficult, so please introduce us. So let me introduce you that also. See, if we are having, when we use ed, जैसे कि walk, उसका बनता है walk and walk. ठीक है? So this is my past and this is my past participle. ठीक है? This is my past and this is my past participle. ठीक है? तो ये ed हमने यूज किया. So basically there are some verbs where we will use ed और कुछ ऐसे हैं जैसे कि burn, burn, burn. ठीक है? burn, burn, burn. और हम burn का burn भी लिख सकते हैं. So here अगर हम ed लगा देते हैं पीछे, so basically वो क्या बन जाता है? past tense बन जाता है. ठीक है? ऐसे कुछ formations हैं जो मैं आपको अभी सिखाता हूँ. Students, how we convert some of the verbs in simple past tense, what to put, how to put and where to put. So let me explain you that. See, if e is given in the last, if e is given in the verb in last, so what we will use? We will use d. Like D-A-N-C-E, तो what it will be? Dance. ठीक है? B-A-K-E, bake. It means B-A-K-E-D, bake. ठीक है? So the next one, if a consonant if only one vowel in the sentence between the consonant, if only one vowel in the sentence between the consonant, what we will use? We will put that consonant and we will use ed. Like example, S-T-O-P. This is my consonant, this is my consonant and this is my vowel. So what I will use? I will repeat this consonant and I will put ed. S-T-O-P-P-E-D. Next, clap. C-L-A-P. This is my what? Consonant, consonant and vowel. So I will use C-L-A-P-P-E-D. Next one, if L is given in the last. L is given in the verb in last. What we will use? जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल COMPEL, ठीक है, COMPEL. So what I will use? I will double this COMPELLED. What I have used? COMPELLED. अब जैसे Excel, EXCEL. So what I will use? EXCELLED. Understood? So you need to remember how to use verbs and how to make the verb from the base form to the past tense. ठीक है? So let's move on to the sentence. The first affirmative sentence is the sentence that I have used previously, like nothing, not बिना वाले sentences. So I will just write I went to school. ठीक है, I went to school. Go का second form. ठीक है, we purchased vegetables. ठीक है, understood? So as I told you, in past if we need to convert, we will use ed after that. ठीक है, ed करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? वो past tense हो जाएगा. So this is our affirmative sentence. So now let's move on to the negative sentence. Let's move on to the negative sentences. So as you know, in present tense what we have used do and does. ठीक है, what we have used do and does, and that I have explained you how to use it. Here we will use did. Why? Because do का second form क्या होता है? Did होता है. So when we use did, then we will convert this second form into first form, because two past will not be together. ठीक है, two past forms will not be together. So I will write the sentence formation over here. Subject plus did plus not plus first form of verb plus other words. ठीक है, जैसे कि if I want to convert this sentence into negative, how I will do? I did not go to school. I did not go to school. If I want to convert this into negative sentence, how I will do that? We purchased. We did not purchase vegetables. See what we need to use? We need to use first form of verb instead of second form of verb. Why we need to use first form? Because here did is already given. So we can't use second form of verb, because two past tense will not be together in one sentence. If purchase is given, like here purchase is given, PURCHASED, so why we have written purchase over here? Because this did, it's already included in purchase. ठीक है, did plus purchase is known as purchase. ठीक है, that is the reason here we have already mentioned did, so here it is not required to write purchased. Understood? So now let's move on to the interrogative sentences. How to use it? What will be the sentence formation? First we will use did plus subject plus first form of verb, because we have already used did. Subject, did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. ठीक है, did I go to school? ठीक है, did I go to school? Did you purchase a vegetable? Did you purchase a vegetable? Because here we will use a first form of verb, because I already told you कि दो past के forms एक साथ आ सकते नहीं है. ठीक है, so this is what we have. This is our simple past tense. It's very easy. So let's move on to the exercise. Kids, let's move on to the exercise. So they dash the zoo last Sunday. So here what we have given, visit. What will be the answer? लास्ट में हमें क्या लगाना है? ed. VISITED. मैंने आपको समझाया था ना, क्या समझाया था? यहाँ पे ये क्या है? वोवेल है. ठीक है, आजू बाजू में कॉन्सोनेंट, तो व्हाट वी विल ऐड? ed. ठीक है, मीता डैश हर फ्रेंड लास्ट वीक. मीट का सेकेंड फॉर्म होता है MET. ठीक है, आकाश डैश द डोर. शट का शट ही रहेगा. देयर विल बी नो चेंज इन एनी ऑफ द फॉर्म. बेस फॉर्म भी वही, सेकेंड फॉर्म भी वही, थर्ड फॉर्म भी वही. वी डैश नॉट डैश द मूवी. लाइक, here negative sentence is given, so here did will come, and after did do I use that second form of verb? No, the base form of verb I have to use. So like, ठीक है, dash you dash your father. Here interrogative sentence is there, so what I will use? Did you. I will not use second form, I will use first form only. Did you ask your father? अगर did नहीं होता तो what will be the answer? You asked your father. ठीक है, फिर interrogation हट जाता. Affirmative sentence will be there. The girls dash a rangoli. यहाँ पे draw. What will be the answer? Drew. ठीक है, so this is our simple past tense. This is very easy, so you have to practice hard for this. You will learn this and you will grab the you will grab the simple past tense. ठीक है, I will send you the PDF of this exercise also. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe.